AliShanMao here from the field. This is our old field, the football ground that where actually I learned to fly all my RC and started my RC career. So I don't know, it should be summer now, but look at me. It's still cold. It got very cold today again. I have no idea why. I am out to test the FPV Spy Hawk glider again because I told you I'm addicted to this, and anywhere, anytime you can fly it because it's very compact, small size, and the features for recording, stabilization, and building FPV it offers. I'm going to get it ready, and my plan is to fly it around and see if we can do some challenge flight going through there or under there. All right, so I'm gonna do it. That was super fun. Despite of all the winds we have today for this mini glider, well, it glides very well, but to do stunts with this mini glider, it's getting really difficult in winds because the wind gusts were throwing it away, but still we did 2 great challenge flights. And you can see carrying this bird is really easy. It doesn't take much space in your car. For example, my car, which is Citroen Picasso, it just stays here in the back, right? It doesn't take any more space. And the radio, you can just throw it anywhere in your car if you want. And whenever, wherever you find a good place to fly, take it out and start doing FPV, and at the same time record the HD quality video. Can you do that with bigger planes, with all that high-tech long-range FPV equipment? Of course, those planes are much more fun to fly long-range FPV, but to do such tight stunts and to enjoy FPV anywhere, everywhere, anytime you want, it is only possible with FPV Spy Hawk, because it sits in your car without taking any space and gives you chances to do FPV anywhere, everywhere, anytime, even at night, and records videos for you. Stay tuned. I am looking around this area to find some more challenges, but possibly not today because today is really windy and I don't want to damage my beautiful bird. Stay tuned, more videos are coming.